Hello, my name's Ben from Stoke Audi, and today I'm going to be talking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. This is a 2022 Audi RS3 Sportback Vorsprung with the tronic automatic gearbox. This particular Audi RS3 does come finished in the standout Python yellow paint finish, and this Audi RS3 does feature the 2.5 litre petrol engine producing 400 PS and getting you from 0 to 62 miles an hour in as little as 3.8 seconds. As we make our way down the side of the vehicle, we do come to this car's 19-inch 5Y spoke design alloy wheels, which are finished with the ceramic brakes. This car does feature the HD Matrix LED headlights with the RS3 display upon unlocking the vehicle, and the rear LED taillights offer up a really nice bright beam and also feature the dynamic indicators. This car does feature the range of black styling cues to the vehicle's exterior, starting with the black door mirror surrounds, and we also have the gloss carbon fibre spoiler fitted to the rear of the vehicle. Opening this car's rear powered tailgate is a simple double press of the button on the keys and it opens automatically for you. Taking a look inside the car's boot space, we have an ample amount of room for a range of day-to-day tasks, with the rear seats able to be folded separately to create a nice through load space for carrying larger or longer items. Part of the car's upgraded RS dynamic pack, we do have the amazing sounding RS Sports exhaust to the rear of the vehicle. The interior of this vehicle comes finished in the leather material with the honeycomb stitching into the centre, the child Isofix anchor points, and taking a look around we have ample legroom here in the back as well as a 12-volt power socket. The full leather multi-function steering wheel greets you on entry. We have the Audi virtual cockpit display with the heads-up display feature, and to the centre of the car's dash we have the multimedia touchscreen interface. Taking a look around, the front seats again come finished in that leather material with the embossed RS logos and the full electronic adjustment controls. The buttons located on the steering wheel keep many of the commonly used functions right at the driver's fingertips, so you can easily keep your attention on the road ahead. The Audi virtual cockpit display displays a range of driver information and settings. It can also give you a nice wide view with the car's built-in satellite navigation system, keeping you within an easy view of the driver. The central multimedia touchscreen display gives easy access to features like the car's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, for connecting your smartphone device and gaining access to a range of compatible applications, music streaming services and hands-free mobile phone calls. This car does also feature the rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors, giving a clear audible indication of how close you are to objects around you and giving a clear view to the rear of the vehicle. As we make our way into the car's menu, we have the RS monitor system for monitoring a range of different car settings. We have the Audi Drive Select system with a range of different driving styles, as well as coming with the 2 customizable RS modes. Coming down below, we do have the car's climate control system with the buttons to either side to change the in-car temperature, and the buttons to the centre changing the fan intensity and air conditioning settings. To either side, we also have the button controls for the 2 front heated seats with 3 different heat intensity levels. Further down we have 2 USB ports for keeping those media devices nice and charged. We also have a wireless phone charging pad and some quick access buttons for different menu options. Moving further down the centre console, we do come to this car's tronic automatic gearbox, the audio control dial and the contrasting red and black engine stop-start button. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty as well as 1 year's roadside assistance, and if you would like any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please give our team a call on 01782 488 205 or inquire online now.